Hey, leave me alone. Oh, hi everyone. This is grammar. And today's topic is these two words. When we say them together, usually have a different pronunciation. Now let's remember that English is a language in which many times we blend words together, okay? Just like I said, leave me alone instead of leave me alone. That's very common. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Instead of saying give me, we usually say gimme. For example, give me your attention. Okay? All right, the next one. Let me. Instead of saying let me many times in a sentence, we're going to say let me. Okay? So for example, let me explain this pronunciation to you. Okay? The next one, have to. Instead of saying have to, and maybe you're familiar with this, we say have to. Okay? So for example, you have to practice this pronunciation if you want to sound more like a native speaker. Okay? The next one, instead of saying has to, and remember that this is pronounced like a Z sound, has to, when we put those two words together, we actually pronounce it with an S and we say has to. So for example, Kelly has to work every day. Okay, and now we have this last one. Instead of saying used to, we're going to say used to. Now, let's imagine here we have these two syllables, use and to. And we're going to emphasize the first one. So we're saying used to. So for example, I used to be in better shape when I was younger. Okay? So these two word combinations, like others that we have in English, are commonly blended, put together in a sentence when we speak at normal speed. So let's just practice one more time. Gimme, let me, have to, has to, used to. Okay? So if you practice this with not only these, but other combinations that we have for you on other tutorials, then this pronunciation will be easy peasy, super breezy.